Good morning, everyone. In this module, today we are going to talk about precipitation and the different types of rainfall. First, we'll talk about precipitation. Children, when small water drops join together, they grow in size until they are unable to float in the air. Then they fall down as raindrops or flakes of snow, and this process is called precipitation. The main forms of precipitation are rain, drizzle, snow, and hailstones. Rainfall is the most important form of precipitation, and children, depending upon how warm and moist air cools, rainfall can occur in three ways. Convectional rainfall. When air comes in contact with the hot surface of the earth, it gets heated, becomes light, and rises in the form of air current. After the warm air reaches the upper layers of the atmosphere, it expands and loses heat. This leads to condensation and the formation of cumulus clouds. And children, these clouds produce sudden and heavy rainfall accompanied by thunder and lightning. This is called convectional rainfall, and this type of rainfall is mostly experienced every day in the equatorial region. Next is orographic rainfall. Children, when a mountain or a hill comes in the path of moisture-laden winds, the moist air mass is forced to ascend along its slope. As the air mass rises upwards, cooling takes place, and this is followed by condensation and precipitation. And this type of rainfall is called orographic or relief rainfall. Children, the windward side of the mountain gets more rainfall than the leeward side. Cyclonic rainfall. Children, this type of rainfall is generally associated with cyclones in the tropical region and depressions in the temperate regions. Children, in a cyclone, when warm and cold air mass meet, the lighter warm air mass overrides the cold air mass. The boundary between the two air masses is called front. Condensation takes place in the warm air mass, and rainfall occurs along the path of the cyclone. This type of rainfall is common in the belt of the westerlies, especially during the winter season. And it is also known as frontal rainfall. Children, rainfall is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. It is also known as ombrometer or pluviometer, which measures rainfall in centimeters or millimeters. Children, rainfall is actually the main source of fresh water on the earth, and it is also useful for recharging groundwater and also a main source of irrigation.